Greetings, doctor. Now I am going to explain the metabolic biochemistry. And by the way, I am going to introduce myself. My name is Robert Kennedy Darwin Arockiasesu from September batch clerkship. Now let's see the introduction of metabolic pathways. The metabolic pathways are intricate series of chemical reactions within the cells that facilitate the conversion of molecules into energy, the synthesis of essential biomolecules, and the elimination of waste products. These pathways are fundamental to sustaining life and ensuring proper function of cells, tissues, and organs in the organisms. First, we will see the glycolysis. In glycolysis, the description: the breakdown of glucose into pyruvate, producing a small amount of ATP and NADH. Location: cytoplasm of the cell. Importance: initial step in both aerobic and anaerobic respiration, providing energy and intermediates for other pathways. Next, Krebs cycle, citric acid cycle or TCA cycle. Description: a series of chemical reactions that further break down pyruvate, generating ATP, NADH, FADH2 and CO2. Location: mitochondrial matrix. The importance: produce high energy molecule used in the electron transport chain of ATP synthesis. Next, electron transport chain ETCA. Description: a series of protein complexes embedded in the inner mitochondrial membrane that transfer electrons and pump protons to generate the proton gradient. Location: inner mitochondrial membrane. Importance: utilize electron carriers NADH, FADH2 to produce a large amount of ATP through oxidative phosphorylation. Glyconeogenesis. Description: the synthesis of glucose from non-carbohydrate source like amino acids and glycerol. Location: mainly in the liver and to lesser extent in the kidneys. Importance: maintains blood glucose level during fasting or low carbohydrate conditions. Fatty acid oxidation. Description: breakdown of fatty acids into acetyl CoA, generating NADH and FADH2. Location: mitochondrial matrix. Importance: provides energy during periods of fasting or low glucose availability. Lipogenesis. A description: the synthesis of fatty acids from acetyl CoA and methionine CoA, forming triglycerides. Location: mainly in the liver and adipose tissue. Importance: involved in storing excess energy. Next, regulation of metabolic pathways. The metabolic pathways are meticulously regulated to maintain a dynamic equilibrium within an organism. Here is the brief overview of regulation of metabolic pathways. Enzyme regulation, feedback inhibition, allostatic regulation, hormonal control, transcriptional regulation, substrate availability, compartmentalization, phosphorylation and dephosphorylation. Thank you.